AI barely hallucinates anymore. That's exactly why it's dangerous now. We almost fixed AI lying. We just made the lies impossible to find.
This graph tracks AI hallucination rates from 2021 to 2026. Notice the downward curve. 5 years ago, the best models fabricated information 38% of the time. By 2026, that rate fell to 8%, and now sits under 2%. Projected forward, the math suggests a problem solving itself through sheer engineering. A few more model generations should, in theory, result in machines that are essentially honest. However, this metric measures a ghost. Standard tests have remained static while the tasks we assign to these machines have fundamentally evolved. Fabrication has simply found a new home in the parts of the workflow we can't easily audit. We've transitioned from asking for single answers to deploying autonomous agents that execute multi-step work. This diagram illustrates an agentic workflow. A system plans, triggers tools, and hands data to other agents, creating chains up to 11 steps deep. Every step carries risk. An early hallucination becomes the foundation for everything following, carrying the initial mistake all the way downstream. These errors integrate into the logic of the chain, camouflaged by the high volume of correct steps surrounding them. They are essentially buried alive. In early 2026, researchers published the AgentHallu benchmark. It consists of nearly 700 real-world workflows, averaging 8 steps each, with human experts pinpointing the exact moment the logic failed. They used this data to test the world's best AI models, asking them to audit the finished workflows and identify the specific step where the lie entered the chain. This chart shows the model's ability to detect their own errors as the work grows more complex. On short chains, the best models succeeded about 40% of the time. On workflows of 11 steps or more, that accuracy dropped to 11%. As the chain grows, even the best AI loses the ability to find where it broke. A massive volume of plausible, confident steps acts as a shield for the initial mistake. The data highlights tool calls as the single most vulnerable part of the process. The exact feature that makes agents useful in 2026 is also the one most capable of hiding fabrication. This internal blindness exists alongside extreme external capability. In April 2026, Anthropic developed a security model so effective at auditing code that its public release was initially restricted. It uncovered a 16-year-old flaw in the FFmpeg video library, a cornerstone of the modern web. Despite 5 million automated tests, human pattern matching had missed it. The model found it by reasoning about what the code actually meant. That capability is now widely accessible. When a security firm tested those same historical vulnerabilities against small, inexpensive open-source models, every one of them successfully identified the exploit. Raw intelligence has become a commodity. Because any model can act, the true competitive moat is the system built to verify those actions. We are granting machines autonomy across longer chains of logic faster than we are developing the tools to peer inside them. The industry focus has shifted from the model to the architecture surrounding it. Engineers are now wiring in secondary AI judges to score every step for honesty and requiring every claim to be grounded in a verifiable source. There is a new emphasis on uncertainty. The goal is to train systems to recognize when evidence is thin, allowing them to refuse to act and admit they are unsure. Step-by-step verification carries a high price. Adding these layers of architectural oversight nearly triples the computing cost and the total token usage. This creates an economic friction. The current market prioritizes the cheapest and fastest agents possible, creating a financial incentive to avoid the reliability tax entirely. Companies are deploying these unverified agentic systems into live supply chains, financial networks, and critical infrastructure. The central question is whether verification safeguards can scale alongside autonomy, or if hidden fabrications will begin to impact real-world outcomes. This is a live, global experiment. The results are surfacing in the production environments that keep the world running, and we are watching to see where the logic holds.
The lies didn't go away. They just got better at hiding. And right now, they're running loose down there. We're watching from up here. Subscribe to Curious Directions for the next transmission.